Danger does not always announce itself with teeth or claws. Across the forests and grasslands of North America, the striped skunk survives without speed, without strength, and without the need to chase or fight. Its survival depends on certainty. The bold black and white coloration is not meant to hide, it is meant to be seen, a clear signal written into instinct. Predators recognize this warning quickly, and those who ignore it rarely make the same mistake twice. When threatened, the skunk does not flee. It turns its back, lifts its tail, and releases a chemical defense unlike any other in nature. A fine mist, heavy with sulfur compounds, spreads through the air. It clings to fur, skin, and memory. The scent burns the eyes, overwhelms the senses, and causes intense nausea and disorientation. The effect can last for days, sometimes weeks. This defense creates distance without contact, no chase, no struggle, no wounds. Energy is conserved, risk is minimized, the message is delivered before violence begins. In the natural world, fear itself can be a weapon, and sometimes the most effective one leaves nothing behind but a lesson. In the clouded rivers of South America, sight offers little advantage. Here, the electric eel rules through an invisible force. Though it resembles a snake, its true power lies beneath the skin. Most of its body has become living batteries. Thousands of modified muscle cells are stacked and aligned with precision. When activated, they discharge in perfect synchrony. The result is a sudden electrical burst, strong enough to overwhelm nerves and lock muscles instantly. For hunting, the eel strikes faster than reaction allows. Prey is immobilized before it understands the threat. For navigation, the eel emits faint electrical signals into the water. Distortions and returns reveal shapes, movement, and distance. In these dark rivers, electricity replaces vision. It becomes perception. It becomes a weapon, and it becomes a shield. Where sight fails, power flows, turning the water itself into an extension of the body. Small size offers no safety in the open world. For the bombardier beetle, survival depends on chemistry refined to precision. Within its abdomen, two harmless liquids are stored in separate chambers. Alone, they are inert, silent, inactive. Only when danger approaches is the barrier between them removed. The reaction begins instantly. Heat builds in a fraction of a second. Pressure follows. Inside the chamber, temperatures rise near boiling. The beetle releases a chemical spray, fired with accuracy, direction, and control. Each burst is deliberate, each shot precisely measured. This is not rage, it is restraint. A controlled explosion released only when escape is no longer possible, only when timing matters most. In a body this fragile, strength is not found in size or speed. It is found in patience. And in nature, patience is intelligence. Built for feeding, shaped for defense. The giant anteater appears slow, almost vulnerable, until it is threatened. At first glance, there is no armor, no speed, no obvious aggression. But its claws tell a different story. Curved and powerful, they are designed to tear through hardened earth. And when necessary, they can defend against predators many times its size. When cornered, the anteater rises onto its hind legs. Its body straightens. Feeding tools become weapons. Encounters rarely last long. Beneath the surface, survival depends on specialization. A tongue longer than its head moves with extraordinary speed. It slips into nests and tunnels, harvesting insects in seconds, then retreats before danger responds. Nothing here is wasted. Every feature serves a single purpose. Strength in this body is not excess, it is focus. Refined for one way of life and perfectly suited to endure it.
In the open Pacific, the Humboldt squid does not hunt alone. Its body speaks in light. Rapid waves of color move across its skin, signals of aggression, coordination, and intent. These flashes pass through the group, aligning movement, direction, and timing. Prey is not taken by silence, but by sudden, overwhelming chaos. Armed with hooked arms and a powerful beak, the squid strikes with speed and force. Yet muscle alone is not what makes it dangerous. It is communication. Light binds individuals into a single force, greater than instinct, greater than strength alone. Here, survival depends on unity, written in pulses of color beneath the sea. In the natural world, weapons are not always sharp or loud. They can be chemical, electrical, visual, or psychological. What seems strange is often precise. What seems excessive is often necessary. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.